Ready for a once-in-a-lifetime West African experience? Well, here's all about getting your Ghana visa. It's your first step and it's simpler than you might think. In this video, I'll guide you through the full Ghana visa process for Indians, what documents you need, how to apply, processing time, fees, and a few insider tips to make it smooth. So let's get started. For a stress-free visa application, just go to Atlys and search for Ghana as the destination. In the next step, upload your passport photo and the scanned copies of the front and back page of your passport. Upload your bank statements. If someone is sponsoring your trip or you don't have enough funds in your bank account, you'll also have to upload sponsorship documents. Review all the information, and if you have a co-traveler, add their details also in the same application. Once done, just submit your application and you're done. You can track your Ghana visa application on the Atlys app or website, and once the visa is approved, you'll receive an update about the same. Here's how you can apply for your Ghana visa directly through the official Ghana High Commission website in India. Step 1. Head to the official Ghana visa portal. We have also added the link in the description below. In the next step, you'll have to fill the necessary details like nationality, country of residence, former nationality, visa consulate, and mode of submission. Step 3. Once you fill in the details, you'll be shown the list of documents that are needed, which are shown on the screen. Proof of COVID-19 double vaccination certificate, one recent passport size photograph, passport, ID proof of 2 references in Ghana or a hotel reservation, bank statement for the last 6 months, air ticket reservation, return or onward journey, yellow fever vaccination certificate. Click on OK and you'll move to the next step. Step 4. Upload your passport photo, passport type, port of arrival in Ghana, your contact details, and date of birth. Choose hotel reservation if you have booked your stay, or in case you have an invitation from a Ghanaian resident, you can mention that. Once you have filled in all details, you can sign up. In the next step, you'll have to fill in all the travel details, upload the required documents, and then make the payment. Once submitted, you'll get an application ID. Use it to log in and track your visa status on the same portal. Once your visa is approved, you're almost there, but immigration checks can be strict. Stay prepared with these handy tips. Keep both a physical printout and a digital copy of your Ghana visa with you at all times. Second, Ghana requires proof of yellow fever vaccination. Don't forget to carry the original certificate. It's often checked on arrival. Third, be ready to show evidence that you can financially support your stay. Bank statements, cash or card, anything will work. Keep printed or digital copies of your flight bookings, hotel reservations, and return ticket easily accessible. Next, activate international roaming or buy a local SIM upon arrival for smooth communication and easy access to travel updates. Dress appropriately and maintain a calm, polite attitude while answering questions at immigration. Answer all questions truthfully and clearly. Officers appreciate direct, confident responses. Now that you're almost set to travel to Ghana, here's a fun fact that I'd love to share with you. Did you know that Ghana is located near the intersection of the equator and the prime meridian Greenwich? So technically, you can stand at the center of Earth in Ghana. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel updates, and let us know in the comments what's the first thing you are excited to do in Ghana.